Whether you're playing a match on a dusty local pitch or cheering from the stadium stands, sports, or Michezo, bring Ugandans together. They keep us healthy, build our communities, and create a shared culture. And when athletes like Joshua Cheptegei break records on the world stage, the whole country watches. But to accurately discuss these achievements in Kiswahili, you need a specific vocabulary. These specific grammar rules allow you to move past simple recognition and start participating in these national moments yourself. Most sports terms belong to the UI noun class. A single ball is an mpira. For plurals, the prefix changes. The M drops, becoming mipira. Never say mapira. Cross that out. The UI class strictly uses mi. Michezo becomes Michezo. Mpira becomes mipira. Nailing down this prefix rule is the first step. You have to know your nouns before you can build the longer, multi-clause sentences required for a top-tier essay. Now let's map out time. In sports, things happen quickly. We use the hali temalifu, or present perfect tense, to describe an action that has just finished, and a different marker for one that hasn't happened yet. If the player has already completed the game, we insert the affirmative marker, mi, into the verb. Amecheza. He has played. If the game is still pending, we use the negative marker, ja. Hajacheza. He has not yet played. Be careful here. Do not use ku. Ku is for the simple past, meaning it didn't happen at all. Ja tells us the action might still occur. Deploying that ja marker correctly shows examiners you understand nuanced timing. It proves you know the match is still ongoing, rather than just delivering a flat negative. Building a complex sentence requires three components working in tandem: the action you took, the link that connects it, and the reason why. That middle link is a conjunction, or kiunganishi. For your essays, you need three main ones: lakini for but, kwasababu for because, and ingawa for although. When you drop a conjunction between two separate clauses, they integrate into a single flowing thought. These words are the connective tissue of your writing. You will rely on them to structure your arguments when explaining the physical benefits of a sport or discussing how players can avoid injuries. Let's test this. Here are two conflicting facts. Joshua ran fast. Joshua did not win the race. Pause the video and combine them using ingawa. To bridge these clauses, the conjunction drops right in the middle. Joshua alikimbia haraka, ingawa hakushinda mbio. Practicing these merges reduces the mental friction of switching between languages, making these complex connections feel more intuitive over time. Let's form one complete sentence. Mwanafunzi hajacheza michezo kwa sababu hana mipira. The student has not yet played sports because he has no balls. Notice the correct mi plural prefixes. Next, the ya marker shows a pending action, linked using kwasababu. Stacking these three grammar rules, the noun class, the tense, and the conjunction, is exactly what examiners look for to award full marks in your writing. Here is your summary chart. Take a screenshot. It covers the UI noun rules, your perfect tense markers, and your essential conjunctions. Internalizing this system gives you a repeatable method to discuss sports, and eventually any complex topic, with structural precision.